Well, they're only vicious if you try to fight them.
But if you just like try to pet them, that's fine.
Well, you shouldn't really try to pet them.
What happens if you do?
They might bite you. Where's he going? Is he going over here?
Yeah, he's over here.
There he is.
Get a full picture.
He's just pacing back and forth. I think he's thirsty. Hi, look at that.
Take it.
It's a video, honey. Hi. Oh, look, it looks like he wants to lay down. He looks like a nice one. It's like a big, ferocious cat.
He's like a giant cat.
Yeah.
I thought we were going to take a picture, but he won't stay still.
Well, I got a few pictures.
Oh, of just him?
Well, him and you.
Mommy, you set your coffee down.
It's not my coffee.
Is it?
Nope.
Steal it. Steal it.
Logan.
What? No, no,
You want to go look at that other thing now?
Yes.
Okay.